Let's face it, $1,000 can make a world of difference. Whether it's crushing debt, that dream vacation, or just some breathing room, that extra grand has serious pull. But in this hustle and grind world, finding that extra income can feel like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom today. We're cracking the code on making $1,000 in a month. Not through pyramid schemes or selling your socks on the street corner, but with legit, practical methods you can actually implement. Notice whatever I am mentioning in the video. You will find the link to it in the description. Segment 1. Side hustles for the skillful. Freelancing. Got skills, put them to work. Offer freelance writing, graphic design, coding, even virtual assistant services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Polish your profile, land gigs, and watch that extra income roll in. Tutoring. Knowledge is power, and sharing it can be profitable. If you're a language whiz, math master, or musical maestro, offer online or in-person tutoring. Platforms like Wisent or Cambly are great starting points. Crafting and upcycling. Unleash your inner artist. Turn your crafty hobby into a cash cow. Sell handmade jewelry, upcycled furniture, or custom artwork on Etsy or social media platforms. Bonus points for eco-friendly creations. Segment 2. Passive income playgrounds. Affiliate marketing. Become a brand ambassador. Promote products you love through affiliate links and earn commissions on each sale. Choose relevant brands, build an audience, and watch the passive income trickle in. Blogging and vlogging. Share your passions and expertise with the world. Build a blog or YouTube channel. Attract viewers and monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services. Investments. Make your money work for you. Invest in stocks, bonds, or even real estate crowdfunding platforms. Remember, this requires research and a long-term mindset, but the potential rewards are sweet. Segment 3. Quick cash fixes. Microtasking websites. Earn small bucks for completing short online tasks like data entry, transcription, or online surveys. It's not life-changing money, but it can add up quickly with dedication. Selling unused stuff. Declutter and cash in. Dig through your closet, garage, and basement. Sell unused clothes, electronics, or furniture online at consignment shops or even garage sales. Remember that extra $1,000 isn't just a number. It's a doorway to freedom. Freedom to breathe easier, to pursue your passions, to build a future you can be proud of. And the incredible thing is, this power lies within you. You don't need a magic wand or a lucky break. You have the skills, the determination, and now, the knowledge to make it happen. Every small step, every action you take to manage your finances is a step towards a brighter tomorrow. So don't be afraid to dream big. Imagine the possibilities that $1,000 can unlock, and then imagine what $10,000, $20,000, or even more can do. With every hustle, every smart investment, every dollar saved, you pave the way to a life on your own terms. This is your chance to break free from limitations, to rewrite your financial story, and to become the author of your own prosperity. Take control. Embrace the power within, and make that $1,000 the first step towards a future filled with financial freedom and endless possibilities. Thanks for watching.